Events are so much fun. I love doing them. I love putting them on, and it's a great way to engage your members in your organization. Hi, I'm Dot Miller with The Solution. I want to chat with you a little bit about getting your mindset into that revenue generating event mindset. So a lot of us tend to bring in speakers where we don't have to pay a lot for them, or they'll do it at no cost. Maybe the event space is donated. And so you think that you don't have costs associated with your event, so you don't have to charge that much for your event, if anything. My friends, we still need to charge for our events. You still have an operating budget that you need to cover. And remember, your time setting up that speaker and setting up the online platform and taking registration and answering questions to your members about the event and things like that, that is your time. That is your staff time, your valuable time that needs to be paid for, because your organization is paying your salary. And quite often our organizations don't think about the staff time as a cost of the event. So please consider that. And charging for your event, that's up to you how much you want to charge for the event. I would take into account the person that is speaking, the content, and whether or not you are giving continuing education credit for that event. So these are all things that you want to think about when you're deciding the amount and what to charge for. And your membership price may be a little bit lower than your non-member registration price. But also, even if you are covering and making a little bit of money on your event with your registration fees, it's still okay. And absolutely, I would encourage you to go out and find sponsors for that event as well. Again, you have an operating budget to cover, so don't think about just the income and expenses of that one single event. Think about your whole operating budget for the entire year, your fiscal year. And then also your growth of your organization. So as you have these events and you continue to bring in revenue, you can add that additional team that you've always wanted to grow to. So if you have any questions, reach out to us, thesolutionwebsite.com. We look forward to talking with you soon. Take care.